I'm the glow, I'm the bag, I'm the check. Everything I want, yeah, I manifest.
So we know that this is synthetic, right? But does it have to look synthetic? Absolutely not. Somebody done told y'all wrong. Sensationnel, I think this is butter lace unit 2. Baby, do y'all not see this? It's giving virgin hair, okay? Your synthetic wigs do not have to look synthetic at all. Don't let them lie to you. Don't let them lie to you, okay? Y'all see, look at the density. Look at the fullness. And let's get into this hairline, because this hairline is tea. It is tea. Now, I did go in and pluck it a little bit more, but for the most part, Sensationnel provides us with a pre-plucked hairline. You ain't got to do nothing, okay? So you don't even have to do that. It literally comes the same. I just did a little bit more. Now, in order to not have your synthetic wig looking like a synthetic wig, please tint your lace. That's all I gotta say. Next, you want to grab your hot comb. I usually put mine between 10 and 5. Don't stress that comb all the way through through the hair, because you're gonna take the curls out. Just do this frontal section. You don't need no products. Just take it, glide it, and boom. Y'all see, it's gonna give you that fresh relaxer vibe towards the top. Now, one thing about cutting off the lace, Sensationnel makes it so easy for you because they make their laces look like a realistic hairline. Kudos to them, because I love that. It just looks so realistic. We just want to go ahead and spray some lace adhesive on to secure the wig down. If you are using glue, you should be fine with the tip that I'm about to say, but for the people who are first timers when it comes down to synthetic wigs, you definitely have to double up when it comes down to the lace on the sides, okay, where the ear tabs are, because it will lift. Now, it says glueless. I just don't do glueless with no wigs unless I'm just going to run a quick errand, but for the most part, I'm going to secure that bad boy down. That's just what it is. But look at the lace. The lace material is so freaking thin, and honestly, I feel like their synthetic laces are 100 times better than virgin hair, unless you get that good HD. You gotta get that good skin like HD. But if you talking about transparent and all that stuff, synthetic they just do something so amazing with their laces. I don't know what they put in it, but it just melts like no other. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about when I take my elastic band off. Just using the back of the comb to press down on my lace to melt everything in, and I'm just using my blow dryer on a cool heating setting. Do y'all see the meltage? Let's get into it. Look at this. Now it looks like I've been growing my hair all my life. I do want to get this same wig in the color 1B because I know it's going to eat down. So now we're going to go ahead and put our elastic band on, because girl, guess what? My food is here and we need to let this melt. Now these fries were a little, I don't know, they were hard. And I was like, yuck. But this sandwich on another part, baby, this cheesesteak, well, it's not cheesesteak, it's a steak. I ain't get no cheese because, honey, me and dairy don't go together. I'm sure I'm lactose intolerant, but it was A1. While I was eating that, this elastic band started hurting because I left it on too long. But y'all, get into the freaking lace. Do y'all not see this lace? Again, I tell y'all, no kidding, $44 freaking dollars. $44. Let's cheers to the lace, okay? But let's get into the curls. Now, when it comes down to colored curls, I think it's just processed differently, so just do be mindful of that. The curls don't really retain, so we're gonna try to put some foam wrap lotion on this and hope for the best. It didn't do too bad, but again, you have to be mindful it is synthetic, right? So don't ever try to take a brush and detangle your curls all out, because I promise you they're not coming back. Even if you put your foam wrap lotion on it, it's done for. So my suggestion with curly units, leave them alone, okay? Leave them alone until you can't no more, you know? Also, if you do separate the curls, you know, you'll get more density, but it will frizz. Just gonna do a little bit of baby hairs. I'm not gonna do no dramatic ones. This is my favorite edge control, and it just keeps everything in place. I'm just doing little swoops behind the hairline because, again, you don't really need to do nothing with the lace and the hair texture. Everything is set in stone. So less is more with this specific unit. I'm going in and trimming up some of the long hairs that is on the unit, but this is a whole freaking vibe. Tell me this wig is $44 because I wait. It's not giving $44 energy, right? So I did try to move it to a middle part to see what it would look like as a middle part as well, and I just used my fingers. I wasn't trying to go back in with the hot combs. Again, just be gentle, detangle the curls if you're moving it gently. Okay, separate the curls like this because they will frizz, but just don't comb them fully out. But this is all girl. Look at the hairline, everything 10 out of 10. Okay, I will make sure I leave all the information in regards to this unit down in the description section, y'all. I love this wig down. Okay, $44 a wear.